How to save InShot draft video in gallery. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's tutorial we will see how we can save InShot draft video in your gallery. So without further ado, let's get started with our video. First of all, launch your InShot application in your mobile device. So once you have opened up your Inshot, tap on video. There you'll find some of your draft video under the new button. So if you tap on the three dots next to that video, you will only have an option either to delete, to copy, or to rename. So in order to save this draft video in your gallery, you have to tap and open up the video. So if that's your draft video, once you have opened it right here or once you have loaded it here, then tap on export button from the top right corner. Then tap on export, and with that your video will be saved in your gallery. So you have to wait until the video gets saved in your gallery or exported to your gallery. So that's how you can save your draft video in InShot to your gallery. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.